Bathroom vocabulary. Look, listen, and repeat. Bathroom. Bathroom. Sarah painted the bathroom blue. Toilet. Toilet. I flushed the toilet. Sink. Sink. I wash my hands in the sink. Bathtub. Bathtub. The bathtub is full. Bidet. Bidet. The bidet is a great addition to any bathroom. Shower stall. Shower stall. The shower stall has a glass door. Jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. The jacuzzi has jet settings. Faucet. Faucet. The faucet has a leak. Mirror. Mirror. The mirror is hanging on the wall. Exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. An exhaust fan removes moisture. Hamper. Hamper. The hamper is made of wicker. Trash can. Trash can. The trash can in the bathroom is made of plastic. Towel. Towel. The towel is so soft. It must be high quality. Hand towel. Hand towel. The hand towel is next to the sink. Bath mat. Bath mat. A bath mat prevents slips. Shower curtain. Shower curtain. A shower curtain is waterproof. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. I forgot to get a toilet paper. Soap. Soap. The soap smells like lavender. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. I always buy the same brand of liquid soap. Shampoo. Shampoo. The shampoo is gentle for daily use. Washcloth. Washcloth. The washcloth has a loop for easy hanging. Body wash. Body wash. This body wash is specially formulated for sensitive skin. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. The hairbrush has soft bristles for gentle detangling. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. The toothpaste has a minty fresh flavor. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I forgot to pack my toothbrush for the trip. Dental floss. Dental floss. My dentist recommended this dental floss. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. The mouthwash helps to fight plaque. Deodorant. Deodorant. This deodorant leaves no white residue on clothes. Cotton pads. Cotton pads. I use cotton pads to remove my makeup. Cotton swabs. Cotton swabs. These cotton swabs are 100% organic. Air freshener. Air freshener. An air freshener helps to eliminate unpleasant odors. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. The hair dryer has multiple heat settings. Razor. Razor. The razor has very sharp blades. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. A shaving cream provides a smooth razor glide. Test yourself. What is it? Toilet, sink, bathtub, shower stall. Sink. What is it? Faucet. Which picture shows a mirror? This one. What is it? Exhaust fan. What is it? Hamper, trash can, towel, shampoo. Hamper. Which picture shows a shower curtain? This one. What is it? Washcloth. What is it? Body wash, liquid soap, hairbrush, deodorant. Liquid soap. Which picture shows a toothbrush? This one. What is it? Hair dryer. What is it? Cotton pads, air freshener, razor, mouthwash. Razor. What is it? Cotton swabs. Which picture shows an air freshener? This one. What is it? Bathroom.